Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the new Microsoft Remote Desktop web client. This is an exciting new method of connecting to applications running on a hosted remote desktop service and takes advantage of the functionality available in modern HTML5 web browsers such as Chrome, Edge and Safari. It's not available for phones or tablets yet, but there are other methods to connect with those. We'll start by firing up a web browser, and I'll save the URL in my favourites bar. And this connects us to the Remote Desktop Client portal. We'll use the credentials we saved last time we went in. And once connected, you will see the icons for all the applications published to this user. In the live environment, you may have some users who just use Word, Excel and Outlook, and others who perhaps just use Sage accounts or Access. So when those users log on, they only see the applications you want them to see. So we'll start by launching Sage. When you first go in, it will ask your permission before allowing the remote desktop server to access local resources such as your clipboard or your printers. But there's one thing that's missing here, which is local drive. When you connect using other methods such as remote apps or an RDP file, then you can connect to the C drive of your PC or other drives that you have connected to your PC. So you can copy documents between the two. I'm not sure if this is something Microsoft is going to introduce later on, or it may be by design, as it doesn't really know what type of device you're connected from or what file system that device uses. The first application takes a few seconds as you log on to the remote computer. Other applications will launch instantly. So here's a full desktop version of Sage 50 account, running in a browser, giving you and your colleagues the facility to run Sage from anywhere where you have an internet connection. Let's try something else like Excel. Here's Microsoft Excel running in a browser, but it's very important to emphasize that this is the full desktop version of Excel. It's not a light cut down version like Excel Online that you get with Office 365. This is the full version, full desktop version. If you've got customizations or add-ins, anything like that, they will work exactly as intended. It's just the same as running on your desktop. Launching something else like Word, we can demonstrate using a clipboard. So you can copy text between applications on the remote desktop, but not files or images. You can also copy and paste from applications on the remote desktop to your PC. So here we can paste the same text into Notepad. And then you can also copy text from the local Notepad back into the remote Excel. A quick note about saving files. There are a couple of areas to save files on the remote desktop. Either an individual's documents folder, or you can have a shared network drive for files you want to share with colleagues. The shared drive can have all the normal Windows security applied to it as you would expect on any file server. So a quick note about the navigation bar. You can remove the browser window itself by going to a full screen, and you can also hide the navigation bar by unpinning it from the top. To get it back, either press Escape or reshow the menu bar and click the arrow again. One really important advantage of a remote desktop is how it behaves on an intermittent internet connection. I'll demonstrate this using an Access database. So let's assume you're working on a train, you're completing an order for the important client you just met, and you go through a tunnel and lose your internet connection. And I can show this by disabling my network adapter. Effectively, I go through the tunnel. The remote application will realise something's wrong and try and reconnect, and it will keep doing this. But let's assume this is a really long tunnel and I'll just cancel it and let it disconnect fully. So once back in daylight, with internet back working, I click back on my Access application and it goes back through the connection process, sort of re-logging onto the server, making sure that you are the same person and re-authenticating. Now all the time we've been in the tunnel, the remote desktop just sits there and waits for us. So here's all my applications just as I left them, and I can finish my order and save it before I get to the next tunnel. Okay, so that's the remote desktop web client. Please do check out some of our other videos on our channel for other connection methods to see how they may work out for your business. Of course, if you'd like more information, maybe you want a one-to-one demo or a takeaway demo account, please get in touch using these details here or via our website. Thanks very much for watching.